Hi, this is Brett from SRmoto, and this is our 2008 Ducati Hypermotard 1100S. And today I just wanted to do a real short video and demo what the exhaust sounds like on this bike. As far as performance mods go, we've got the Termignoni dual carbon fiber slip-on, and the rest of this exhaust system is stock. And then it's also got a Ducati race ECU, and I believe we've also got a BMC air filter installed. So that's pretty much the extent of the performance mods. So let me start it up here and let you hear what it sounds like.